Hey veterans, Travis Studdard, Veterans Disability Attorney, and I want to ask you, have you heard about the penalty that's sometimes applied to veterans who have a spouse or children? You may have heard, politicians talking about the marriage penalty in tax law, but I'm here to tell you that there may be a similar thing under an unwritten rule in VA disability compensation claims. And here's what I'm talking about. And if you're a veteran who received a 20% overall rating from VA, you especially need to question that rating and whether it's totally accurate, especially if you are someone who has a spouse and or children. And that's because 20% is just below the threshold of 30% where a veteran can receive additional monthly compensation for his or her spouse and children. So I think, and I've seen this, I can't ever prove it, of course, but I've seen it in situations where a guy had about 4 kids and a wife, and again, he gets additional money for each dependent that he has, so that's going to add up to quite a bit in his particular situation. And by my estimation, he probably should have been rated about 40% in his claim. But again, he would have been over that 30% threshold and would have received the money for his entire, on account of the entire family. However, VA put him at 20%. Guess what? It didn't matter if he was single, no wife, no kids, because he's under 30%. Unless he gets over 30, he doesn't get that money. So be on the lookout for that. I just wanted to jump in here real quick, do a quick video on it, because it's something that, again, I can't prove it. I've just seen a pattern in a few different claims. Want you to be on the lookout for it. Anytime you get a 20% rating, question it. Decide, is that really how I should be rating? And are they applying this family penalty in my situation? Of course, they're not going to say they're doing it. They're just going to say, oh, well, you deserve this lower rating. And then it's up to you and your representative to challenge that rating and get you the higher rating, but also the higher monthly benefit on account of your dependent family members. So look for that. Check out our other videos, other articles on our website, whenyourvetclaim.com. I'll be back with more things that I see in claims that I'm handling or reviewing for veterans. If you want us to look at yours, you can do an online consultation request on our website. Again, whenyourvetclaim.com. And we will be back with more information in an upcoming episode. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.